In this video, we're going to be writing a quadratic function in vertex form by completing the square. And the steps for writing a quadratic function in vertex form, y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k by completing the square are 1. Format the equation. 2. If necessary, divide every term by the coefficient in front of x squared. 3. Multiply the coefficient of x by 1/2 and square. 4. Add the number from step 3 to both sides of the equation. 5. Factor the right-hand side and simplify the left-hand side. 6. Solve the equation for y. And 7. It tells us that the ordered pair HK is the vertex. So now let's take a look at each of these steps one by one in the examples. In 1, it says write each function in vertex form, i.e. the form y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. In A, we have y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 5. And the first thing they want us to do is subtract 5 from both sides. So we have y minus 5 is equal to x squared minus 6x. And now we want to multiply the coefficient of x by 1/2 and square. So the coefficient of x is negative 6. So we have negative 6 times 1/2. And then we want to square it. And this is equal to negative 6 times 1/2 is equal to negative 3. And now we want to square it. And that's equal to 9. And now we want to add this number to both sides of our equation. So we're going to add 9 to both sides. So we have y minus 5 plus 9 is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 9. And now we want to factor the right-hand side and simplify the left-hand side. And to simplify the left-hand side, we're going to combine our like terms. So we have y, and we have negative 5 plus 9 is equal to plus 4. And this is equal to x minus 3 squared. And now we're going to solve for y by subtracting 4 from both sides. So we have y is equal to x minus 3 squared minus 4. And now I'm going to restate the vertex form, which is y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. And now they ask us to state the vertex. And remember, the vertex is the point hk, and h is represented by 3 and k by negative 4. So our vertex is 3, negative 4. And by looking at the vertex, we can also tell where the axis of symmetry is. So here we have y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 5, and that would be a parabola pointing up. And so our vertex is here. So our axis of symmetry would be a vertical line that goes right through the vertex. So we would look at the x value of the vertex. So we could say that the axis of symmetry is x is equal to 3. And we got 3 because the x value of our vertex is 3. In B, we have y is equal to negative 2x squared minus 4x plus 6. And the first thing they want us to do is subtract 6 from both sides. So we have y minus 6 is equal to negative 2x squared minus 4x. And now it wants us to divide every term by negative 2. And we have to divide every term by negative 2 because we need our x squared coefficient to be 1. So we're going to have negative y over 2 plus 3 is equal to x squared plus 2x. And now we want to multiply the coefficient of x by 1/2 and square. So we have 2 times 1/2 squared. And 2 times 1/2 is 1, and 1 squared is equal to 1. And now we want to add this number to both sides. So we have negative y over 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. And now we want to factor the right-hand side and simplify the left-hand side. On the left-hand side, we have negative y over 2 plus 4. is equal to, and we want to factor the right-hand side, which is x plus 1 squared. And now we want to solve for y. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 4 from both sides. So I have negative y over 2 is equal to x plus 1 squared minus 4. And now I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by negative 2. So I have y is equal to negative 2 times x plus 1 squared plus 8. And now I'm going to write my vertex form so I can find my h and k value. So we have y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. So now to state the vertex, we have negative 1, 8. And then our axis of symmetry is a vertical line going through the vertex. So we have axis of symmetry is x is equal to negative 1. And that's all for this video on writing a quadratic function in vertex form by completing the square.